美国国务卿卢比奥受到人工智慧造假声音，甲外交部长佮有国内官员直接。美国国务院是表示讲已经处理了，会想办法来改善网络安全。也毋过嘛强调讲，因为安全的理由佮这案件嘛搁在调查，所以无方便对外说明。
for all the things that make life worth living.
这是美国国务卿卢比奥真人的声音，严过顶个月，互人用人工智慧所形成的声音假冒，想要联络3位外国部长级的人物，也有2位美国官员。上查报这个消息的华盛顿邮报，根据国务院一条7月初3发到所有外交家领事馆的电报，建议相关人员提醒外部的伙伴，提防假口造假网络骗子。国务院讲，因知影这件代志，有伫咧监控。
When we think about the reports that have occurred, and the details that we would like to provide become problematic, obviously, when it comes to investigations and the nature of the actions that we're taking. The Secretary, great news is, of course, he is very transparent, quite transparent. And he's direct with everyone.
根据电报，当局正伫咧调查2件不法人士用电子邮件加通讯应用程式假造国务院人员的案件，其中一件就是假扮卢比奥案件。
Based on everything that I have heard, this was not a success. These were not successful attempts. No one was fooled by them, and so there was no damage done. But the concern is that as the technology gets better, and as the people who are doing this become more sophisticated.
这么 AI 假冒会得到训练甲学习一直进步，以后有可能真正会对外交、经济、贸易，也个金融体系造成真正的损害。这并不是卢比奥第一遍互人假冒，今年春天就人制作一段亲伪造的影片，内容是卢比奥讲要这段对乌克兰青年卫星的网络服务，要乌克兰这边澄清。公司新闻综合报道。